Dun dun! Hey guys! Whoa! Let's see what I bring you here today. Is Nothing Phone 2a Special Edition, and this time, I'm so excited to have this and to bring this unique design and very affordable device for you. And this device is just released in India, and today we have the Bauhaus Special Edition phones. As we can see, wow! Even the box. It's a special design box, and we can find the dual camera and the classical Glyph light strip, and also the classical nothing design language here. So next, I'm going to open it and let's check it information about this device. SKU information, model name, color, special edition, Nothing Phone 2a, RAM 12GB RAM and 256GB ROM edition, and other manufacturer information and certificate information. Well, cannot wait. Next, open it. Yes, after we open it, we find a pure white paper box, and just like open the book. Now the phone is in front first, and the left cover, when we open it, the left part of the cover is "Welcome to Nothing Phone," and well, isn't this exciting? So this is some welcome sentence, and if you join the Nothing community to help build the brand, and you can also use the hashtag to do some interaction with them. Okay, let's come to the point. Today's highlight, the smartphone. Put it here first, and under the smartphone, user menu and cable. Wow, yes, more stuff inside here. So this is the cable, the Type-C to Type-C cable. Wow, and here the charging cable. Also put the brand name, and also this part is transparent plastic with the mental charging pin, and it's a white color cable, and this time it supports a 45-watt cable fast charging and 5000 big battery. Okay, so put the side first, and here's the user manual, safety information and the warranty information. A bit difficult to understand, so many languages. Yeah, this is the user manual, it's whole multi-language. Okay, let's put it aside, and then finally we go to the smartphone. Wow, nice, well protected in a paper protector. Let me see how to get it out. Okay, here. Whoa. Wow. Get it out here, sorry. Here is. Okay. Wow. Amazing phone is in front of us. Really like the special and unique design of Nothing. Here's the standard bombard dual camera. And it's a 50MP Gen9 OIS main camera with 50MP Gen1 wide angle, and we can find the red color, yellow color, blue color. So it's the traditional three colors of Bauhaus design language. And also here is the classical Glyph light strip, and it's transparent design. On the back panel, we can set the texture. Also, we can find the screw inside the smartphone. The back is a transparent back panel. Okay, very nice design. See, you can see the certificate information, and for the frame, black power button, and I think it is kind of special material for the frame, but it's matted and polished white color. And front, this is also the black volume button. Go to front, straight screen, Phone2a camera. Whoa. Now we wake up turn on the smartphone and find nothing. Logo is here. Hello, let's enter the system. Okay. Finally, yes, we entered the nothing OS. Nothing more, nothing less. Okay. Whoa, so this is animation of this device. Meet the Glyph interface. A new way to interact with your phone. So yeah, have different effect, light effect, shining effect, and you get different functions. So who is calling like this? Screen free. Choose your visual design. I will choose the nothing style. Finish setup. Yeah. Finally, we entered nothing OS. Whoa, very special, right? Compared to normal and traditional and most of the ordinary phones and nothing, the OS is so special. So as we can see, go to the phone. In front of us is a 6.7-inch FHD plus 220 Hz refresh rate AMOLED screen, and peak brightness can reach to 1300 nit. Yeah, okay. Settings, we can go to settings to get the processor information about this device. Where is the setting? Okay, where's the setting? Here. Settings. Storage, display. Display. First, we can go display. Check the display refresh rate. If high, 120 Hz. Okay. And lock screen. About phone. Okay, so here we get the specification about the Nothing Phone2a Special Edition, the Bauhaus Special Edition. Processor Mediatek Dimensity 7200 Pro, and the camera 50 megapixel OIS plus 50 megapixel wide angle, and front 32 megapixel Phone2a camera with 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB RAM. Battery 5000. Screen 6.7 AMOLED based on Android 14. Yes, based okay, so this is the specification about this device. And next, I think I will first show you the camera performance, and then we can test the other part to see the light. Okay, first the normal one time. Wide angle. Two time. Maximum 10 time. Put it to the middle of the screen. And front. High. Front can support do no zoom. Portrait. The phone can support portrait, and the background is blurred. More portrait. Okay. Video slow motion. So this one for the device suppose slow motion. Photo portrait. More. Time lapse. Panorama expert. Okay, nothing special for this part. And guys, yes, this is the camera, very simple camera test, and I'll put it at the end of the video. And next, check the live stream. Okay, so next, let's go to the settings. Check the Glyph interface here. Glyph interface, ringtone. Set up it. Ringtone. 1, 2, 3. 3 strip light will flash. Shining. Features. Composer. Ratio feedback. Music. Bedtime schedule. Okay. Can choose sound only. No. Yep. And okay. Okay. Funny interacting with the bow plot. Okay. Okay. Different mode to choose. Dimensity. This is a ringtone. Ringtones. Notification. Ooh. That. Okay. Different. Nothing. Notification. Turn on. But this part cannot. Flip. Okay. Now let's charging it. Okay, nothing special. Okay, here we have a short time shine for the light strip. But what surprised me is this time for this part is not shining again. Yeah, just normal. Okay, so next let's try to go to the video to test video. Sound quality and with the light dance. You learn your skin, so you begin to make it better. 1, 2, 3. Strip light dance with the music. Sound quality still okay. Here, Type-C charger, SIM card slot. Okay, so this was the camera part. So, okay, thanks for watching my today's very short video and very simple test video about the 2A non-SIM phone special edition. And thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Bye bye.